yard. It's a little after 8 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, it's really good news. The water is going back into the river. There's some weird... All of this was underwater yesterday. I don't really want to step on it, but there's some weird stuff in the yard right now. I'm sure we'll find more weird stuff. Maybe some fish. This whole driveway was covered yesterday, and into the road was covered. Today you can see it's nice and dry. This whole section was covered with water. The shed is back. This is awesome. This is very good. Oh, weird. This is all underwater. It smells really bad. Let's check out the other side of the house. Yeah, no more water in the road. As you can see, we put this log here yesterday because that's where the water was coming up to, and it has gone back a lot. This is such good news. I'm so happy. We had to stay at our brother-in-law's house last night. They cut the power and the gas to the whole neighborhood. There's still quite a ways to go, but this is such good news.